In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set home address in Google Maps. By the end, you'll have your home saved so you can get faster directions, see commute times, and use shortcuts like Navigate Home with a single tap or voice command. Start by opening Google Maps on your phone or computer, and make sure you're signed in to the Google account you actually use for navigation. This is important because your home label syncs across devices, so the account you pick here will control what you see on your phone, tablet, and desktop. Next, open the main menu. On many screens, you'll see a small menu icon in the top left. If you're on mobile, you might go straight to the bottom bar where you'll find the saved option. Either way, we're heading to the same place in the app. From there, choose saved and then look for the labeled tab. This tab is where Google Maps keeps special shortcuts like home and work, so you can jump to them without typing the full address every time. If you don't see labeled right away, swipe through the tabs at the top of the saved page until it appears. Now select home. If you've never set this up, it will prompt you to add one. If you already have a home saved, you can edit it here, which is useful if you've moved or the pin isn't quite in the right spot. Enter your address in the search field or place the location manually. A few tips for accuracy: type the full address, including apartment or unit number if applicable, and double check the city and zip code. If Maps drops the pin a little off, zoom in and drag the pin precisely onto your building rather than the street. Pin placement matters for turn-by-turn directions and arrival points. When everything looks correct, tap Save to apply the changes. That's it, your home is now set. From now on, you can simply type home into the search bar. Ask your assistant to navigate home, or let Maps use home in commute estimates and shortcuts. If you ever need to update it, return to saved, open labeled, choose home, and adjust the address or pin the same way. A quick note on privacy and convenience: your home label is stored in your Google account, so it will appear on any device where you're signed in. If you share a device, verify the account in the app before saving. Setting this once saves time every day and helps Maps give you more relevant suggestions and routes.